Good morning. Welcome back to our science class. Now we are in week 12. This week we are discussing chapter 6, lesson 1. How does Earth move from textbook page number 264 to 269? Our learning objectives are to know how to demonstrate that Earth rotates on its axis causing the day or night cycle and the apparent movement of sun across the sky. These are the objectives of our lesson. We know that the sun is the center of our solar system. Earth and other planets move around the sun. So, the Earth moves in two different ways, rotation and revolution. So, we can discuss one by one. The first one is rotation. What do you mean by rotation? One whole spin of an object on its axis is called rotation. So, Earth rotates on its own axis. What do you mean by axis? It is an imaginary line between North Pole and South Pole. And not only that, this axis is tilted, just like slope. So that the Earth takes 24 hours to complete a full circle or to complete a rotation. So rotation means one whole spin of an object on its axis. So Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. So what do you mean by Earth's tilt? The Earth is tilted on its axis at 23.5 degrees for 6 months. The northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, and for the next 6 months the southern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun. This is the cause for season. So, you know what is the effect of rotation on Earth. So, the main effect of rotation is day and night. As the Earth rotates on its axis, you can see in the picture, half of the Earth faces the sun and half of the Earth faces away from the sun. So the half of the Earth that faces the sun will experience day, while the half of Earth that faces away from the sun will experience night. So the Earth rotation causes the day and night. What is Earth's revolution? So Earth rotates in two ways. The first way is rotation and the second way is revolution. So we are discussing what is revolution. Earth also moves in an orbit. What do you mean by orbit? An orbit is the path an object takes as it revolves around a star, planet or moon. Earth orbit is elliptical, means it has an oval shape. So one full orbit of an object around another object is called revolution. So revolution means one full orbit or movement of one object around another object is called revolution. So our Earth is moving both this way, rotation and revolution. You can see here, rotation, Earth spin around its own axis, but revolution means around another object. Here look at the picture, you can see rotation and revolution. For rotation, Earth takes 24 hours or 1 day, but revolution or for completing one orbit, Earth takes 365.25 days or 25 days. Now, Earth takes a fewer hours longer than 365 days or 1 year to complete one revolution. The same like moon also revolving around the Earth. The moon's revolution around Earth takes 27.3 days or around a month. Gravity keeps Earth in its orbit around the Sun. So, what keeps Earth in its orbit? That is gravity. Now that the effect of rotation is day and night. What is the effect of revolution? The four seasons. So, look at this picture. This is the revolution of Earth. In summer, Earth axis pointing towards the Sun. The same like in winter, Earth's axis points away from the Sun. But look at the spring and fall. In spring, Earth's axis neither pointing towards nor away from the Sun. So this way, Earth revolution causes four seasons: winter, summer, fall and spring. So this is the Earth revolution. You can see from the yellow, that is the northern hemisphere, and the white color indicating southern hemisphere. Now first of all, look at in December. In December, northern hemisphere is experience winter because it is away from sun, but but the southern hemisphere experiences summer. The same like in June, the northern hemisphere experience summer, but the southern hemisphere experience winter. And the same like the March and September, you can see in the March northern hemisphere experience spring, and the September the northern hemisphere experience autumn. Anyway, you have to understand this only. The revolution of Earth causes the four seasons. Summary: Earth moves by rotating on its axis and revolving around the sun. So rotation is the spinning of Earth on its axis. Revolution is the movement of one object around another. Earth rotates on its axis causing day and night, but Earth revolution causes the season. This is a summary of our lesson. Thank you all. If you have any doubts, please comment in your Schoology. Thank you.